welcome to Brewed and Boost Food. It's week 5 of the Supery and IGourmet Enjoy Virtual Tastings. Today's recipe is a mascarpone and truffle pasta paired with their Ilu wine. This decadent pasta is the perfect summer dish, so follow along and I'll show you what I did. I have a pot boiling with a package of tagliatelle pasta. Any long type noodle will work well for this dish. Now I'm going to make the sauce. We're going to take an entire container of mascarpone cheese. I'm using Vermont Creamery's mascarpone. This is a really delicious Italian style, almost like a cream cheese. Then we're going to add 1/4 cup of Grana Padano cheese. Kind of reminds me of a Parmesan. It's probably a little bit more than 1/4 cup. I like things cheesy. We're gonna add this to our mascarpone. And give that a stir. You want the cheeses to melt together. Everything looks nice and melted together. The tagliatelle pasta is done cooking, so I'm going to take it out and put it directly into our sauce. Noodles are getting away from me. Okay. I'm going to gently toss the pasta into our cheese mixture. If you feel this mixture is a little too thick, you can add some of your pasta water to it. For now, it's looking all right. Now I'm going to add some blanched asparagus. They recommend peas, squash, any type of summertime vegetable would be great in this. I like the taste of asparagus. This is about 1.5 cups of asparagus, but feel free to do a mixture of veggies if you like. Add that. Toss that together. Then to add some richness, as if it's already not rich enough, we're going to add some white truffle butter. You can also use truffle oil or truffle salt if you cannot find truffle butter. I found this at my local fresh market in the cold butter section. So we're going to add about 2 ounces. This container is about 3. So I'm going to add a good dollop of this to our pasta. And we'll let the heat melt that in to our pasta. I think I'm going to add just a little bit of our pasta water just to get it going just a little bit better. Just a little ladle full. There we go. That's better. I'm going to add a little bit of salt and a couple of turns of cracked pepper. Give it another little turn. Your pasta's ready to plate. If you like this recipe and want to cook with us next week, head to saintsupreme.com and click on their virtual tastings. There you can purchase your IGourmet kit and also the wines to go with it. If you like this video, make sure to like and subscribe here on YouTube. Don't forget to go to Brewed and Boost Food on Instagram and Facebook and follow us, and also check out our blog, brewedandboostfood.com. We'll cook with you soon.